Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Twilio WhatsApp messaging templates correctly, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Twilio WhatsApp messaging templates correctly, start by logging into your Twilio account. Navigate to the console dashboard. Locate the messaging section in the left sidebar. Click on Try It Out and then select WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp page, find the Message Templates option. Click on Manage Templates to view your existing templates. Identify the template you want to update. Select the template by clicking on its name. Review the current content and formatting of your template carefully. Make the necessary changes to ensure it meets your needs. Remember to adhere to WhatsApp's message template guidelines. Ensure that the language and tone are appropriate for your audience. After making the changes, double-check for any spelling or grammatical errors. Once satisfied with the updates, click on the Submit button. Wait for Twilio to process your submission. You will receive a notification regarding the approval or rejection of your template. If rejected, review the feedback provided by Twilio. Make any required adjustments based on their feedback. Resubmit the template for approval if changes were made. Once approved, your updated template can be used for messaging. Always keep a record of changes made for future reference. Regularly review your templates to ensure they stay relevant and compliant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.